Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Vodafone red points or loyalty points or loyalty coins. So you can redeem this points or coins for airtime and then airtime or talk time or data bundles. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So the short code to do this is *533 and then # and then we send. So now I'll walk you through the process. Good. So here you can see number 1 is check red coins, 2 is redeem your coins. So I think you'd have to check your coins before you go on and redeem it. But then here I know my points already, so let me go to the redeem section, which is 2. So let's say for data, so 2. So if you want airtime, you go to 1. So here I think I have more than 200, so let me go for 1 here. Good. So I'm going to get an SMS soon on the redemption. I think it's going to take some time, but then this is the process involved in redeeming your red coins, your red points or loyalty points or Vodafone or Telecel. So it's here, you can see. So I got it. So I have 78 points remaining. So that's it for the video. Do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.